Chartered Gurukul has always been wonderful. It was not like an academy for me, it was an academy with loads of learning. It's been very wonderful experience with them, learning under them.
Chartered Gurukul actually taught us like how exactly we need to approach the case studies and what are the points that are required to be given and how we need to present our answers.
They tell us exactly like which chapters which should be given more importance and which should be studied according to the question papers that is being said. So suppose it was an interpretation of one section for that matter. It was suited to you to get out to know what you think about it and then an explanation given to it. So basically help you to understand what you understood before and what exactly it was and then to compile both of them for a better understanding.
Understood where I was lacking in my preparations, how better I can prepare for the exams.
It gives us various mock tests where we prepare ourselves in order to know where we stand exactly in each chapter. The guidance of CAG, I could get actual requirements, like if I get a blueprint of my subject, what are the important things you need to know and how to crack a paper. So it was an in-depth knowledge which helped me know my subject better.
It was like 1 week we could just attend classes just to check if the things are like comfortable to us and if we are getting well on with our studies, and then we could register with the Chartered Gurukul Academy. So this was one good thing wherein we can find out if the classes are really comfortable.
If you want to take up one subject, you had that liberty to choose that single subject and take up your course as well at Chartered Gurukul. So that is one more thing which added up always a bonanza to Chartered Gurukul's faculties and the organization. Harsha sir is one of the faculty wherein any time in point of time you call him up and ask, sir, I don't know what this is, and he was always ready to answer my questions. So that's the thing which always kept me with Chartered Gurukul. You can just ask whatever doubts we have.
The first class itself, they have also shared their personal numbers so that we can contact them, we can get in touch with them at any point in time and we can clear our doubts anytime and anywhere.
You can call up at late 10 o'clock and ask him, sir, I don't understand this. You would have answers for them.
I happened to miss few classes for which I didn't know how to get the notes, but I just approached her, okay, I have missed these classes. He revised those portions again for me, which I don't think is possible at everyone's hand.
Faculties of Chartered Gurukul, I would like to thank all the faculties who have taught me, Sumit sir and Harsha sir. Both of them have a great knowledge and I feel learning under them is my privilege. The material is really good and compact. You can also keep many things in mind because it has been given to us in a point format. A detailed study material, but still not as bulky as our institute material. So that usually helped me because I didn't have much time to read before my exams.
None of the faculty stresses that we need to study just the material which we get in the Chartered Gurukul classes, but it is just a supplement to our institute book.
Takeaways from Chartered Gurukul would be first is their in-depth knowledge of the subject.
First thing I would like to take away is the professionalism of each of the faculty that they show, and I would really like to improve like them as I grow in my career.
But Chartered Gurukul is like completely way different from others. They go in depth of the subject as well as they get us into practicality and the practical approach what we get here. I don't think we would get it at any other place for our CS. They've got way better than what we were actually promised on the first day.
The promises what they have done while I was joining the classes, it's all like already they have fulfilled the promise and I'm happy for that.
I would definitely recommend everyone to come and whoever wants to learn the subject.
I would certainly recommend Chartered Gurukul Academy to all my friends who are doing company secretary course. In fact, I missed out being a part of Chartered Gurukul in my executive level, but I would really recommend others to join Chartered Gurukul and get their in-depth knowledge in all the subjects rather than brushing up through the chapters at the end moment.
If you want to pass your exams and you want to, if you are really dedicated towards your course, this is the right academy to join in, wherein your futures will be Chartered Gurukul's future as well.